Take home for so many things. Got to see some amazing dentistry from Doctors Ronnie and Jerry. So it's always a treat to see them work and learn a lot from the staff as well. Definitely something to bring home to my clinic to train my own staff.
The environment was very like a pleasant learning instead of people trying to sell you things and like the supply chain to sell you things kind of thing. Yeah.
I come here with very high expectation. I want to learn something for you guys, but and you guys actually feel more than exceed my expectation. You know, to be able to see the planning, the temporization, and the delivery within this 3-day course is amazing, because a lot of time we are taught theory, we are taught to actually do the first stage 1, stage 2, we cannot see from start to finish. But this time around, we get to see that from A to Z, and also right now 2 different patients. You know, is to me is worth the money, worth every single cent.
It will improve my knowledge. It was very good for me to hands-on.
I think, you know, like it's all boiled down to a very good diagnosis and planning. If you diagnose your case well, you plan your case well, you work with the right people, you can deliver very good service. And then, you know, it really changed the patient life. I can see them, you know, they're actually smiling from the bottom of their heart. And then I'm very happy to experience this.
Yes, definitely.
Looking forward to starting.
Yeah. I can get my burrs and then from the inside.
So would you recommend this course to many people?
Definitely.
You must be learned about the new technology. Please come to join. Expectation, your mind and will be improved, and your knowledge will be improved as well. Especially your work will be improved as well.
Dr. Ronnie and Dr. Jerry really to share everything that they know. So to be able to see a complete course from start to finish is very difficult, and work with the right people. They really work very hard. In fact, you can see that, you know, they are very curious, but you know, there's a lot of hard work. So I know, you know, there's a lot of effort they are putting in.